Good morning, students. Continuation of the chapter Vectors. We already finished dot product of vectors. Just revise the portion. Dot product A dot B means mod A, mod B, cos theta. Isn't it? Then from that cos theta, the angle between two vectors is A dot B by mod A, mod B. And the first formula is A dot B is equal to A1A2 plus B1B2 plus C1C2. The next condition, if two vectors are perpendicular, how can you say that two vectors perpendicular? A dot B is equal to 0. That's the way to prove two vectors perpendicular. Two vectors perpendicular. Okay. The next heading is, write down, vector product or cross product. Vector product or cross product of two vectors. Right. Let A, vector A equal to A1I plus B1J plus C1K, and B is equal to A2I plus B2J plus C2K. Two vectors given. Then A cross B is equal to the determinant. Using determinant, we find the value. Determinant, the first row, ijk, taking the coefficient of A1, B1, C1, that means taking the coefficient of ijk, that is A1, B1, C1, second A2, B2, C2. When you open this determinant, how can you open this determinant? I into its minor. What are the minors? I into its minor means deleting the row and the column which that particular element occur. That is B1, C1, B2, C2 minus J into its minor. A1, C1, A2, C2 plus K into its minor. Say the answer, K into its minor. When you delete the elements containing K, that is A1, B1, A2, B2. Yes, A1, B1, A2, B2. Now all of you know how to expand a determinant. Suppose if a determinant is A, B, C, D, what is the value of the determinant? AD minus BC. AD minus BC. Therefore, here you will get the answer I into B1 C2 minus B2 C1 minus J into A1 C2 minus A2 C1 plus K into A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Okay. Right. Write one question. If A equal to 2I plus J minus K and B equal to I minus 2J plus 2K, find A cross B and mod A cross B. Find A cross B and mod A cross B. When you find A cross B is equal to the determinant. Say the answer. Ijk 2, 1 minus 1. Agree? 1 minus 2, 2. Say the answer. When you open this, I into its minor like that, right? You can do by yourself. I already finished the chapter determinants. then the answer is, write down, the answer is minus 5j minus 5k. Check the answer. Minus 5j minus 5k. That is A cross B. Then how can you find mod A cross B? Mod A cross B is root of minus 5 square plus 5 square. That is root 50 equal to root 25 into 2. That is 5 root 2. 5 root 2. Okay. Next heading. Write the next heading. Unit vector. Write down. Unit vector in the direction of A. What's the heading? Very important formula. Unit vector in the direction of A. Direction or unit vector in the direction of A is, can you say the answer? Unit vector in the direction of A, that is vector A by modulus of vector A. Isn't it? In the first class, I explained that unit vector in the direction of A is vector A by modulus of vector A. But here the heading is, right, unit vector perpendicular to two vectors, A and B is. Understand the difference between these two? The first one is unit vector in the direction of vector A is vector A by modulus of vector A. But here the question is unit vector perpendicular to two vectors A and B is A cross B by mod A cross B. Right? A cross B by mod A cross B. Right, the first question. Find a unit vector. Find a unit vector perpendicular to the two vectors. Find a unit vector perpendicular to the two vectors. Vector A equal to I plus 2j minus k. And B is equal to 2i plus 3j plus k. 2i plus 3j plus k. Unit vector perpendicular. Therefore, we need A cross B. First write A cross B is the determinant ijk 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 3, 1. When you expand this determinant, you will get 5i minus 3j minus k. Take time to do the answer. Only check the answer. 5i minus 3j minus k. Again, we need modulus of A cross B. What is modulus of A cross B? Look here. 5 square plus minus 3 square plus minus 1 square. That is root of 35. Isn't it? Root 35. Again, you copy the same sentence. Unit vector perpendicular to A and B is A cross B by mod A cross B. That is, what is A cross B? 5i minus 3j minus k by root 35. Agree? Or one more step, you can split that as 5 by root 35i minus 3 by root 35j minus k by root 35, 1 by root 35k. Okay? Or this. Both are same. Finish? Very important. Take your textbook and do the problems from the exercise. Just I explained all this. Unit vector perpendicular to A and B is A cross B. You know how to find A cross B. Then mod A cross B. Then the answer is A cross B by mod A cross B. Okay. Then the next question. Find mod A cross B. Find mod A cross B, right? If mod A is equal to 10, mod B is equal to 2, and A dot B equal to 12. Understand? Look here. The first formula to find A cross B is, what is that? A cross B is equal to, say the formula. The determinant ijk, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. But here, another formula to find mod A cross B. Mod A cross B second formula, or the geometrical meaning of A cross B. The geometrical meaning of A cross B is mod A mod B sine theta into vector n. Write the formula. Mod A cross B, and put it in a bracket, okay, or a column. Mod A cross B is equal to mod A mod B sine theta into vector n. I will explain what is this vector n means. That is a unit vector. What is the meaning? Unit vector. Modulus of equal to 1. N is a, below right, n is a unit vector. That means modulus of n is equal to 1. That means modulus of n equal to 1. Okay. When you go through this problem, our question is find mod A cross B, mod A given, mod B given, A dot B given. If mod A, mod B, A dot B given, we can write the formula. What is A dot B? What is A dot B? Mod A, mod B cos theta. Agree? From that, what is cos theta? A dot B. What is, look at the question. A dot B is 12 by mod A is 10 into 2. Is it 3 by 5? Check the answer. If cos theta is given, can you find sin theta? What's the formula? Sin theta is equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta. That is root of 1 minus 3 by 5 the whole square. The answer is 4 by 5. Check the answer. 4 by 5. Then, what is mod A cross B formula? Mod A cross B is mod A mod B sin theta into modulus of vector n, means that is 1. Therefore, the formula changes to mod A mod B sin theta. From that, mod A, what is mod A? Mod A is given in the question 10 into mod B is given 2 into sin theta is 4 by 5. 5 and 10 cancel, 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 is the final answer. Once again I will explain. The question is mod A cross B. If mod A mod B, A dot B given, then A dot B equal to mod A mod B cos theta. From that cos theta is equal to 3 by 5. If cos theta is given, sin theta is equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta. From that sin theta is equal to 4 by 5. Then substituting mod A cross B is mod A mod B sin theta. Your answer is 16. Okay. Right. Find A dot B. Next question, find A dot B if A dot B is the question. Mod A equal to 2, mod B equal to 5, and mod A cross B equal to 8. Mod A cross B equal to 8. If mod A cross B given, you can take that formula. What is mod A cross B? Mod A mod B sin theta. From that sin theta is equal to 8 by 2 into 5. Is it 4 by 5? Then cos theta, root of 1 minus sin square theta. Then you will get 3 by 5. Agree? This is the reverse of the previous question. 3 by 5. Therefore, what is the formula? A dot B? Mod A mod B cos theta. That is mod A 2, mod B 5, cos theta 3 by 5. 5 5 cancel. The answer is 6. Finish? The next one is very important. Two questions. Very important questions. Not two, three questions are there. Write one by one. Very important questions. For any three vectors ABC. For any three vectors ABC. Show that. Show that. A cross B plus C plus. B cross C plus A plus. C cross. What is C cross? A plus B. Equal to 0. Write the question. For any three vectors A, B, C, A cross B plus C plus B cross C plus A plus C cross A plus B is equal to 0. Take the LHS. This is the LHS part. Just apply distributive property. What is distributive property? A into B plus C is AB plus AC. Therefore, here you can write A cross B plus A cross C plus B cross C plus B cross A plus C cross A plus C cross B. Agree? Just open the bracket. Now listen, in this determinant, A cross B is equal to minus B cross A. A cross B is equal to minus B cross A. Can you say the reason for that? When you find A cross B, we use determinant, isn't it? We use determinant method. Suppose my question is B cross A. Look at the board. B cross A. Then the first line is IJK. But the second line is A2, B2, C2. And the third line is A1, B1, C1. If you interchange any rows or columns, can you say the property of the determinant? If you interchange any two rows or columns, the value, the numerical value of the determinant is same, but the sign changed. You remember that property? Study that determinant. Now, we can say that B cross A is same as minus A cross B. Same. Once again, A cross B plus A cross C. A cross C we can write minus C cross A plus B cross C. How can you write this B cross A? Look here, B cross A is minus A cross B. This C cross A same, C cross A. Then plus C cross B is same as minus B cross C. Okay. A cross B minus A cross B cancel, minus C cross A plus C cross A cancel, B cross C minus B cross C cancel. The answer is 0. The answer is 0. Understand? Just open and apply the property. Which property? A cross B is equal to minus B cross A. Then next problem, right? Prove that. Prove that. A plus B cross A minus B is equal to 2 into B cross A. Right? A plus B cross A minus B is equal to 2 into B cross A. Can you say what is A plus B cross A minus B? Open the bracket. A cross A minus A cross B plus B cross A minus B cross B. Take the LHS. Write each step. LHS. Then can you say what is the meaning A cross A? A cross A means, look here, IJK, A1, B1, C1. The second one is also A, A1, B1, C1. What is the property? The first property, if two rows or two columns are identical or the same, then the value of the determinant is 0. Therefore, what is A cross A? 0. Minus A cross B, we can write plus B cross A. Agree? Plus B cross A minus B cross B is also 0. Therefore, B cross A plus B cross A is 2 into B cross A, right? 2 into B cross A. Finish? Write the next question. If, third one, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, a plus b plus c equal to 0, all you put vector. Vector a plus vector b plus vector c equal to 0. Prove that a cross b is equal to b cross c is equal to c cross a. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, prove that a cross b is equal to b cross c is equal to c cross a. Listen the step. What is given in the question? A plus b plus c equal to 0. Copy the question. A plus b plus c equal to 0. Agree? Now, first you take cross product with a. What is the first step? Taking cross product with a. That means a cross a plus b plus c equal to a cross 0. Open the bracket. A cross a plus a cross b plus a cross c equal to 0. Agree? What is the result? A cross a? Come. Say the answer. A cross A is 0. Then A cross B. Then when you convert this plus A cross C in the other side, that changes to A cross Z minus A cross C, isn't it? Therefore, A cross B is equal to, when you convert that in the positive sign, that is same as C cross A. Put equation 1. The second step is, first we take cross product with A. Then the second step is taking cross product with B. B cross A plus B plus C equal to B cross 0. Same procedure. B cross A plus B cross B plus B cross C equal to 0. This is not in the correct form. The correct form is A cross B. Therefore, B cross B 0. B cross C is equal to minus B cross A. Agree? That is B cross C is equal to A cross B. Put equation 2. Put equation 2. Now, one more step is there. You can take C cross A plus B plus C. Anyway, here comparing the equations 1 and 2. Look at the board. Comparing the equations 1 and 2. You will get A cross B. Look here. A cross B is equal to C cross A. The same A cross B equal to B cross C. Comparing, write the heading, write the note. Comparing the equations 1 and 2. Or one more step you can write. Taking cross product with the C. Here comparing 1 and 2, you will get A cross B is equal to B cross C is equal to Z cross A, right? Comparing 1 and 2, you can write A cross B is equal to B cross C is equal to C cross A. Okay. Then I will ask you one question. What is the inference can you draw? What is the inferences can you draw if A cross B equal to 0 and A dot B equal to 0? What do you understand by if A cross B equal to 0? Look here. If A cross B, right? A cross B equal to 0 means, A cross B equal to 0 means the vectors A and B are parallel. Next point. If A cross B equal to 0 means the two vectors A and B are parallel. Okay. This is the meaning. Look at the figure also. A is the vector, B is the vector. That two vectors are parallel means, what is the condition? A cross B equal to 0. The second one, what do you mean by A dot B equal to 0? You already studied that. What is the meaning A dot B 0? A is the vector, B is the vector. If A dot B 0 means the two vectors are perpendicular. Two vectors are perpendicular. Finish? Okay. Study all this. God bless you.